If I no get waiting, I go do tomorrow.
Say tomorrow.
If I no get waiting, I go do tomorrow. If I no get waiting, I go. She na holy, God bless me. She na holy, prayer remain to do. If I no get waiting, I go do tomorrow.
Can you turn around for us? Let me see your Ankara Vero. You look really nice. How much did it take you to put everything together? Let's start from your glasses. Alright, so the glasses I borrowed it from a friend named Abu. Shout out to General Abu. He's a senior man. Then this chain, I got it from my ex in 200 level. Shout out to her, wherever she is. She has graduated now. Your shirt. They're my shirt, man. Wait. Let me start from the jeans. These jeans I've had it for almost 5 years now. You know, the laundry man did this. Then my shoes, Amiri original. Check it out. It's real. So, man. How much is the shoe and the jeans? How much is the shoe and jeans? The price wants to know. Like $50 million.
What did you say?
$50 million.
Thunder fire.
And what's your favorite animal?
I don't really have.
Just give me an animal now.
I think butterfly.
You saw what?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Like the same thing.
Yeah, so you're going to give me the sound your favorite animal makes. So I don't know what butterfly is.
I don't know how to do that.
And now your head correct.
Can you turn around for the camera?
You like what you see? You like what you see?
So how much is everything you're wearing what?
Let's talk about that right now.
Yeah, just give an estimate now. 1 million naira.
Talk about that right now. Don't worry.
Price yourself now.
I'm more than gold.
How much you take buy all these things now like this?
Everything.
Yes, now, how much? How much the tie, the waistcoat, the shirt?
The way everything like this now like 1 million.
This is a sobo. A cold sobo.
So let the camera capture your outfit. No, turn on 360 degrees. Yeah, you too. Yeah, turn first too. Okay, so how much do you think everything you're wearing is worth? Let's start from your hair.
From my hair, okay, my hair is I think in total everything is like 11,000 because it's a very simple hairstyle. Then my dress, okay, my dress is around 40 to 50 approximately, and my shoes are 23,000. Then my bag should be around 50. Then I think it should be around 50. A friend gifted it to me.
Exactly what is now. You look amazing. What
Thank you very much.
Okay, my hair is an original bone straight. It's 200,000. Okay, my dress is about 25. My bag is 5. My phone is 400. My shoes are from her because my vendor fucked up, so I don't know how much they are.
How much is this your outfit like this? Let's start from your hair.
My hair, like 6,000. No. I fixed the hair, body weave on, then.
So the hair 6,000. So what of the dress?
I cannot remember.
The shoe now.
The shoe is 10.
That's 16 plus X. Since you don't know the dress. 16 plus X. Since you don't know the dress.
16X.
Turn for the camera. Let's start from you. Yeah, you to turn for us too now. Let everybody see your lovely dress. You look amazing. Let the camera capture every inch of your dress. Yeah, you say turn around now. Turn around now.
It's weird for a guy to see.
Let him shout turn. Let them see everything that is there. Okay, so how much did it take you to put all this together? Let's start from your hair.
The hair, I don't know.
Give us an estimate now. Did you borrow it?
I did not borrow it.
Tell us how much.
It's from home. I took it from my mom.
Just give us a price now. 200k.
Please, I don't know. Honestly, don't know. The dress, I have an idea. I guess 10,000 or 15. I don't know.
So how much do you think everything you're wearing is worth?
I don't know, honestly.
Give us an estimate now. $10 million, 10 million naira.
I don't know.
If you don't get out of here now, I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
Amazing. Now you should actually have something in your head.
Maybe 30.
$30,000.
Thousand naira.
Nigerian naira.
Let me say 30.
It's worth more than 30,000 now. You look like gold. Okay, so how much did it take to put all this together, sir?
Maybe like 90k.
Break it down for us. Break it down.
Okay, so the suit was 20. Sorry, 60. Shoe was 20, and then others.
Talk about the others now.
I mean, I really don't know.
Did you borrow it?
Don't try that.
He said I'll borrow. No, the shirt is. I can't remember how much I bought the shirt now. Or maybe the watch was like 5K. This was like 2K.
Start from my hair. My hair was, I think, 5K. I'll be 5 years. Then this bag, let's just say 40 to 45.
What of the shoe and the makeup and the outfit?
My gown, I think everything was about 11K.
Are you guys together?
No,
Why you guys not together?
because I don't know him.
You can know him now.
Do I know him?
Okay, so how much did it take to put all this together?
Probably like 50.
We'll break it down. Let's start from your crown and your hair.
Okay, my crown is 2,500. My hair is 10K. My makeup is 7K. 25 plus the earring. The dress is 25K.
I forgot to tell you, you're supposed to turn and try. Let everybody see your dress. Yeah, you to turn now, so you don't go there jealous. You're actually dope too. Okay, how much did it take to put all this together? 40. Break it down for us.
This is 30, then this is 5,000, then this is like I think 3,000 and shit.
So you're going to give me the sound your favorite animal makes.
We shock you!
Woof. Yeah, it fits yourself.
The bulldog with that.
Give me the one that bulldog.
Meow.
It's not loud now.
Meow. I can't.
Let's try. Just try now. Try. Go for mad. Yeah.
Okay, that's music, Baba.
So Vinci.
Meow. Meow. Oh. Meow.
What type of plane is this?
Vinci. So Vinci.
Ow, ow, ow. You said dog and you say meow. Wait, meow, yeah.